Laying the foundation in June 2002, the school has added another wing to accommodate the influx of students. The new Governing Council room, office rooms, and the principal's room were inaugurated by Sri Anand Mangi Sir, President, KLS Society, along with Mrs. Ujjwala Mangi Ma'am, Chairperson, KLS Governing Council, and a host of board members on 23rd March 2024. The KLS School Governing Council, under the chairmanship of Mrs. Ujjwala Mangi Ma'am, has helped the school reach promising heights and is progressing towards reaching the pinnacle of success. The success, if any institution, lies in careful mentorship and minute execution. This is the responsibility of the principals, Mrs. Nandini Mutalik Desai Ma'am and Mrs. Sarika Naik Ma'am. Their leadership qualities is beyond compare. On February 23, 2024, dedicated to bidding farewell to the outgoing students, the presence of Sri Samir Mazli Sir, founder Green Saviors Association, as the chief guest, and Sri S.V. Ganachari Sir, Secretary, Karnataka Law Society, added significance to the event. The day was one of reflection, appreciation, and celebration of the time spent together. Excellence in academics is the hallmark of any institution. Continuing with the excellence saga, this year the school has achieved stupendous results. Keeping the glory of the school high, Ms. Vrunda Patil secured 98.88%, that is 618 out of 625, and stood first to the school. Ms. Lavanya Naik stood second with 98.08%, and Master Abhishek Sontaki third with 97.28%. With regard to the subject-wise analysis, 4 students secured 100 out of 100 in Kannada, Social Science and Hindi each, 1 student in Math and 2 in Science. Of the 173 students who appeared for the SSLC boards, 27 students secured A+ grade, that is above 90%, 33 students A grade, 36 secured B+, 41 secured B grade, and 30 students secured C+ grade. The overall result of the school was 96.53%. The upward graph has been the amalgamated effort of the dedicated management, principals and staff, along with the equal efforts from the parents and their wards. On 22nd June 2024, KLS School celebrated Foundation Day at KK Venugopal Auditorium. Dr. Shubham Patil Sir, General Medicine, Mahalingpur alumna of KLS School, was chief guest of the function. Sri Anand Mangi Sir, Sri Rajendra Belgaonkar Sir, Mrs. Ujjwala Mangi Ma'am, Sri Ashok Kulkarni Sir felicitated students and their parents for the stupendous achievement at the SSLC Board Exams 2024. Inter-school fests aim to develop an all-round personality in us. This year, we were the proud recipient of various trophies in various school fests we participated in. We won the Champions Trophy in the Inter-School Fest Madhuvritam, organized by Herwadkar School, Runners-up in Kronos Fest, organized by St. Paul's High School, Runners-up in Shirgurkar Football Tournament, organized by Nitin Shirgurkar. Second place in the state level singing competition organized by Bharat Vikas Parishad at Gangavati. Cleared the skirmish and combat levels in the state level debate competition, War Battle Bengaluru, and other individual prizes in Alfia by Jnana Prabodhan Mandir, Mahila Vidyalaya School, and Yog by KLS Gokte College. A dream becomes a goal when action is taken toward its achievement. The school encourages students in all aspects of development. Miss Tanvi Bedgeri secured consolation prize in the state level Pratibha Karanji Bharatnatyam and also successfully completed Bharatnatyam Visharad Pratham. Miss Kaveri Parashwat secured 7th place in 50-meter hurdles in School Games Federation of India. Miss Vaishnavi Vadiraj secured 8th place in the state level chess competition organized by the Department of School Education Karnataka at Rani Bennur. Miss Prajakta Prabhu secured 3rd place in 100-meter backstroke, 400-meter individual medley at the state level swimming competition organized by the Department of School Education Karnataka at Bengaluru. Master Samarth Kulkarni selected to participate in the state level chess competition. Miss Richa Lagmannawar participated in the state level karate competition organized by the Department of School Education Karnataka at Bengaluru. Master Pranit Bhingode and Master Shreyas Inamdar participated in the state level Bharat Ko Jano quiz competition organized by Bharat Vikas Parishad at Gangavati. Master Surendra Patil, team player in the state level KSCA under 16 cricket team Dharwad zone. Master Soham Patil, team player and highest wicket taker in the state level KSCA under 16 cricket team Dharwad zone. Miss Shreya Raikar and Master Preetham Shirolkar participated in the state level drawing competition organized by Bureau of Energy Efficiency Government of India. Miss Shreya Raikar first place in painting competition organized by Astronomy Club of GIT, Center of Astrophysics and Indian Institute of Astrophysics. Miss Sanvi Pai participated in state level Bhagavad Gita recitation competition. With the aim of installing democratic values, elections were conducted for various posts in the school cabinet. Investiture ceremony was conducted on 19 June 2024. A team of 48 students headed by Master Shreyas Inamdar as the head boy and Miss Nidhi Joshi as the head girl in the high school section and Master Rishabh Topgi as head boy and Miss Varuni Kulkarni as head girl in primary section were conferred with portfolios by Chief Guest Squadron Leader G. Deepika Ma'am, Senior Education Officer, Airmen Training School, Belgavi. The 78th Independence Day was celebrated with enthusiasm. Miss Vrunda Patil, highest scorer SSLC 2024, Shri Uttam Singh, NCC Officer Belgavi, graced the function and motivated students towards a career in Defence Forces. Patriotic songs and dances marked the occasion. Teachers' Day celebration is an important aspect in school. Shri Rajendra Angol Sir was bestowed with the Best Teacher Award and also by Chinmay Ashram Belgavi. Miss Mansi Deshpande and Master Supreet Kulkarni were awarded Best Students. Srimati Ujjwala Mangi Ma'am felicitated teachers who completed 20 years of yeoman services in Careless School. Aligning with Gandhiji's ideology of a clean India, scavengers of the CCB were felicitated by Careless School in the presence of Shri Abhijit Zavalkar, Corporator Belgavi, for commendable work in keeping the school surrounding clean. Other festivals of importance like Valmiki Jayanti, Kanakdas Jayanti, Karnataka Rajyotsav were also celebrated. The birth anniversary of Chacha Nehru was celebrated with fun and frolic on 14th November. Teachers presented dance, songs and other entertainment activities. Games were organized for all students. Students enjoyed to the fullest. World Environment Day celebrated on 5th June to promote action towards protection and preserving the environment. Shri Venugopal Jalihar, Principal GCC, graced as Chief Guest. On December 11, 2014, the United Nations proclaimed June 21 as International Yoga Day. The resolution recognized yoga's role in promoting health, harmony and peace both within individuals and in the world at large. Careless School celebrated this event. In school, we don't just learn subjects, we learn to build relationships for a brighter future. With this perspective in view, various days of importance are celebrated like World Environment Day, Sanskrit Day, Hindi Day, Computer Literacy Day, Math Day, National Reading Day, Yoga Day. On the occasion of Computer Literacy Day, held on 2nd December, the importance of digital skills among students was emphasized. The program was graced by Shri Naveen Raj Chabbi sir, whose inspiring words underscored the need for computer literacy. World Cycling Day was celebrated on 3rd June. A distance of 12 kilometers was traversed from school to Yellurgad by students of high school. The day highlighted the importance of the bicycle as a simple, affordable, clean and sustainable means of transportation, encouraging a healthy lifestyle and building a greener environment. Credence, Imagination Unlimited, an inter-school fest, was meticulously designed and executed by the school cabinet. Mrs. Aarti Vandari Ma'am, founder Amulya Boon, graced as chief guest, and Srimati Sushma Bhatt Ma'am was the chief guest for the valedictory function. Personalities proficient in various fields judged the events. Jnana Prabodhan Mandir School won the General Champions Trophy of both the high school and primary. Stepping outside the classroom broadens perspectives and encourages a thirst for knowledge. A 8-day educational tour from 12th October to 19th October was organized to Madhya Pradesh. Various places like Sanchi Stupa, Bhimbetka at Bhopal, Omkareshwar Jyotirling, Mahakal Jyotirling at Ujjain, Rani Rupmati Mahal at Maheshwar, Ahilya Bai Holkar Rajwada at Indore, Bada Talab, Khau Gali, etc. were places visited. An insight into the rich cultural and architectural heritage of India was obtained. Field trips offer the invaluable opportunity to experience learning firsthand, igniting curiosity and fostering a deeper understanding of the world. Picnic was organized to PRS Water Park, Hubli. Annual Sports Day, a vibrant celebration of athleticism and sportsmanship. With this objective, 22nd Annual Sport Meet was organized on 29th and 30th November 2024. Mr. Amit Pingat, an orthopedic in Kelly Centenary Hospital, graced as a chief guest and encouraged students to have a healthy body and a healthy mind. The event commenced with a colorful march past by students from various houses, showcasing their unity and team spirit. school boasts of a well-trained Scouts troop trained by Mr. Sukumar Ghattat Sir Scout, Master Sangoli Rayana Scout troop, and Mrs. Sandhya Kesarkar Ma'am, Captain of Rani Chennamma Guide Company. The members also attended Scouts and Guides Rajya Puraskar Testing Camp held at STC Kondaji, Davangere from 27 to 29 October 2024, along with 8 Scouts and 15 Guides. An ambulance man badge information session was organized for the Scouts and Guides of Kerala School on the school grounds. The session was conducted by the DHO ambulance team, guided by staff nurse Mr. Lakshman Lamani, Mr. Santosh Madar, and driver Mr. Manjunath GS. Members of Careless Interact Club participated in the District Interact Forum was held at Dharwad on 31st August 2024 by Rotary Club of Dharwad. Various activities were organized. Marking the 10th anniversary of the initiative by Shri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable PM, a commitment by the students to help maintain health and hygiene for a healthy mind and body was undertaken to make people aware of its importance. No Plastic Day was observed on 2nd June to spread awareness about the deteriorating environment and building a healthy lifestyle. A green initiative of planting trees is becoming environmentally aware to reduce the amount of pollution and waste we generate. Shri Samir Mazli Sir, CEO and founder at Green Saviors Association, and Ms. Raksha Ma'am delivered the green talk. Our work is the presentation of our capabilities. We in school are therefore grilled through various competitions to emerge as holistic individuals. Competitions like singing, dance, diya decor, debate, fireless cooking, cinematography, etc. were conducted throughout the year. The classroom may be the heart of education, but the real world is its beating pulse. To ensure a stupendous result in the forthcoming SSLC board exam, the students of class 10th visited the Ramakrishna Mission Ashram, where issues like memory, infatuation, etc. were discussed, and the right approach towards these was explained by Pontiff Sri Mokshatmananda Swamiji. Students of class 10th also visited to observe various horticultural practices, learn about different types of plants and their cultivation techniques. Students of class 8 visited GIT College for sky gazing through telescope. The purpose of this activity was to explore the wonders of the night sky and enhance students' understanding of celestial objects. Students of class 8 visited the library, provided access to a vast collection of e-books, e-journals and online databases through various platforms. They learned how to effectively use the online catalogue to locate books, articles and other resources. Shri Chetan S.H. Sir, lecturer, Gopti PU College, in his session enlightened students on career options after 10th conducted on 21st December. The Education Department organized a workshop for the slow bloomers of the Vadgaon cluster. Various techniques in obtaining good marks in SSLC boards were shared by the school faculty, followed by a motivational speech by Shri Akshay Jain Sir, Jain PU College. paper clippings authenticate the various accolades gathered during this year.